access our recording on agency's website. Okay, so the recording has started, and just a few remarks on the program. I'm very glad that Paulina Simkin from ASO today joined us to talk to you about all the rules, submission process, and related questions. So we will start with Paulina's presentation, then I will give a short overview of Lithuanian Prize, and then we will proceed with the Q&A session. So this is the program of the event, and I will stop my presentation now, and I will give now the floor to Paulina. Please, Paulina, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ege. Thank you very much as well for hosting this webinar and having us here today. So good morning as well from my side. I'm very happy to be here and as well to welcome you and give you a bit more information about both competitions, the Copernicus Masters and the Galileo Masters. My name is Paulina Simkin. I am project manager of AZO, and I'm very happy to help you to find your way to a successful submission. So, as I mentioned, we will talk about two competitions today. The Copernicus Masters bases on Earth observation data and Galileo Masters bases on satellite navigation. We celebrate this year 10 years of Copernicus Masters and even 18 years of Galileo Masters. And within this time, we had more than 15,000 participants for both competitions who won about 515 prizes in a total prize pool of about 19 million euros. We had more than 6,000 business concepts which were submitted, and each year we have about 170 experts, so international experts, a jury who will evaluate your ideas, your business cases. So just to give a short orientation about the timeline of both competitions. So right now we are in June. That means we are in the submission phase. Now it's the time for you to submit your solution and give your solution a chance. So the submission phase ends 19th of July. Please remember this date because afterwards you are not able to participate in the competitions. Right after the submission phase starts the evaluation phase. Within this time, our experts will evaluate your solutions, and just 3 months later, so in October, just 3 months later, you will already know if you succeeded. If you succeeded and you won either a challenge or a prize, I will come back to this difference a bit later, then you will be announced and awarded in the Space Awards. This is like the big event where we introduce your solution to the whole space community. So it's all very shiny, very likely, and we are looking forward for having this event and having you as well as our winners within this event. For this, we have a joint prize pool of 1.7 million. What can you win? Well, you can win simply like cash prize, but you can as well win in-kind services that might help even more to evaluate and to develop your business idea. For example, through business development, through incubation, through management support, through technical support, and various ideas of support. So if you don't have further questions to that moment right now, I would like to start with our first competition. The Copernicus Masters. So Copernicus Masters is our global innovation competition on Earth observation data. It is initiated of ESA together with the European Commission and the DLR. And we have different challenge partners offering, as the name says, a challenge. So who do we have, for example, as our partners from industry or from institutions? We have Planet, we have Bmwe, we have UP42 together with Airbus, or we have the Federal Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure. And we have, for example, Portugal Space. Next to our challenge partners, we have our prize partners, for example, as Lithuania is one of us. So thank you as well, Egli, once again for joining us. Our prize partners are giving you the chance to win additional awards. And you might see all these flags. So we have different kind of prize partners, and behind these flags, we have our partners. Let me come back to this later. First, I would like to introduce you the challenges, because once you will submit your idea, you will need to select one challenge. This is why I think it's worth to take time just to explain or to say a few words about the challenges we offer. Let's start with the first challenge. With the ESA challenge, the ESA Digital Twin Earth Challenge. The ESA Digital Twin Earth Challenge looks for a virtual replica or simulation that helps to monitor or forecast natural or social events and paving the way to carbon neutral economy. The DLR Environment, Energy and Health Challenge is looking for innovative solutions that use Earth observation data to support sustainable management of limited natural resources and to foster human well-being. Our challenge partner Planet offers the challenge See Change, Change the World. And within this challenge, Planet is looking for new solutions that help to save our planet by using planet data and Earth observation data, and give objectives towards and solutions towards the European Green Deal. Smart farming might be one of the future solutions we need to feed the planet. Therefore, Bmwe is looking for innovative solutions that use new technologies, ideas, products to support sustainable agriculture and horticulture. So with the next three challenges, we are facing a topic regarding to mobility. The Bmwe Digital Transport Challenge is the challenge from the German Federal Ministry of Transport and Digital Infrastructure. And in this challenge, they are looking for solutions that use Copernicus data to solve major challenges faced by transport systems today. Well, as I said, mobility is a big issue in this year's challenges, and the Commission, the European Commission, is offering as well two challenges very close to this topic. So in the space for infrastructure and building monitoring, the Commission is looking for submissions that demonstrate the added value that both Copernicus and Galileo data can bring to monitoring systems, and especially to monitor signs of climate or material-based deterioration. If you have a solution for smart mobility that is again based on both, so on Copernicus and Galileo data, then feel free and please get more information about the Commission's challenge Space for Smart Mobility. UP42, together with Airbus, are offering as well a challenge that's slightly different to the others, since they're looking for algorithms. So the challenge name is the satellite image augmentation with generative adversarial networks. Within this challenge, UP42 is looking for algorithms that leverage generative models in the context of Earth observation and to provide new ways of performing Earth observation analytics. Well, I know we are in Europe, but you know as well that more about 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. And the Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It is not only a home for various ecosystems, but it regulates, for example, as well the climate. So how can Copernicus data can be used to track ocean and coastal needs, and maybe even to contribute to Europe's Green Deal or digital agendas? Well, if you are a student or a research assistant, I guess the next challenge will be pretty interesting for you, because within the University Challenge, we are looking for students or research assistants who have a great idea based on Copernicus data and who are willing to go the next step towards entrepreneurship. So if you have an idea already, maybe through a student work or research or a PhD, so give it a chance and submit for the University Challenge. If this information was too fast or you would like to have more detailed information, please feel free to visit our website, the Copernicus Masters website, where you have more information about the challenges and as well more information about how to submit and get your success started. So these were the challenge partners, as I mentioned. Now we're going over to our prize partners. Well, since we are here in the webinar for the Lithuanian Prize, I expect that everybody of you is very curious about how to win the rewards of Lithuania, of the Prize Lithuania. So as Lithuania is our prize partner, we have 18 more. And after all these flags, you see our partners just to have them on the full screen, that you know that behind the flags we are working, of course, with partners together. So again, thank you to IGLI being our partner and supporting our partner network. Next to our prize partners, we have regional associates. Regional associates help us to promote the competition so that it really shines on the global sphere, and that if you are, for example, a citizen from one of these countries, these are as well your contact points to help you as well if you have questions. But of course, feel free to ask us anytime you wish. Well, I hope it is clear so far. I guess the next question is, well, how to participate? How do I get all this rewards? How do I get the chance to win my share? First of all, please register in our database. This is the first step. And please remember the 19th of July, because afterwards it's unfortunately not possible for you to participate in the competitions. So once you registered in the database, you can choose one of the 10 challenges I introduced to you right now. Please select that challenge that fits best to your solution. And now is the point where you can benefit twice. Because with the same submission, you can choose as well a prize. So you choose Prize Lithuania, and you have a chance to win their rewards as well. I would recommend you to submit or to register and submit as soon as possible, because well, until the 19th of July, it's more or less 1 month left. That means if you would like to make some changes, or you think twice maybe about your idea and you would like to improve it or to add something, now you have time. The closer we are going to 19th of July, of course, the less time is is there for these changings. After the 19th of July, the database closes and we start with our evaluation. So in this phase, your idea will be passed to an expert jury or to expert juries that will evaluate your idea. It might be that, for example, Prize Lithuania will invite you to a little kick-off event to select the winner for Prize Lithuania. We will invite all winners from all prizes and all winners from all challenges to a big evaluation, overall evaluation meeting, kick-off event, an international one, where we choose the overall winner. So all challenge winners and all prize winners will be invited to compete, and that the jury will select the overall winner. In December, at the Space Awards, all winners from all challenges and from all prizes and the overall winner will be awarded and nominated and announced in the Space Awards, hopefully in a physical event, as we used to have it before our current situation. Well, I hope it was more or less clear to this moment right now. Please feel free to send us questions, either in the Q&A session or right now, or you keep it or you write us, but please feel free to ask us any questions you like to any time you like. We're really happy to help. So with this, I would like to conclude the Copernicus Masters and jump in our next competition, the Galileo Masters. As I said, Galileo Masters, we are really celebrating a long-term success of 18 years Galileo Masters of this competition. And you might imagine that we are really a big visibility and promotion through this competition. A few steps of the Galileo Masters will be very familiar to you since you have learned about the Copernicus Masters right now. But nevertheless, I think it's worth to go through each step and maybe you find out something else, something new. So Galileo Masters is based on satellite navigation data. Again, we couldn't make this competition without the support of our partners and as well without the support of the European Commission. We have challenge partners from OISPA, from ESA, DLR and Bmwe challenge. We have as well partners behind our university challenge and our living lab challenge. And again, we have as well prize partners, not only supporting us, but as well giving you the chance to benefit twice to win extra additional rewards. So our prize partners are again here 19, slightly different than in Copernicus Masters, but still, Egli, thank you as well for being on board with us in the Galileo Masters. All our prize partners are as well powered by the European Commission. So it might be familiar to you that we will have challenges here as well. So challenges, as you might already know, are like thematic specific. And I would like to go through our challenges for Galileo Masters. OISPA is really a motivating partner with who offers 4 challenges. And we start with the first challenge for OISPA Space for Being Safe and Healthy challenge. Within this challenge, OISPA is looking for solutions using our downstream space data as key enablers to develop innovative applications to secure our safety and health in the times of pandemics. With the next challenge, OISPA Space for Our Planet challenge, OISPA is looking for solutions that use space data to help overcome climate change and environmental degradation. Well, why shouldn't we use space for areas that are maybe maybe more connected for fun or to leisure time? So within the next challenge, OISPA Space for Fun challenge, OISPA is looking for new solutions using data from Galileo and EGNOS for the gaming sector, for sports, to enrich our leisure time, and or to find new solutions for the tourism market. Communication is one of the critical and essential issues we have to bring the people on the planet together all over the globe. So within this challenge, within the OISPA SATCOM challenge, OISPA is looking for new applications that can be used for satellite communication, combining different types of satellite data. If you're a startup and you are prepared and you're right in the beginning you want to grow your startup, then please find more information about the ESA Space Solutions Scale Up Challenge. The purpose of the ESA Space Solutions Scale Up Challenge is to support startups to enter the next step of their development, well, to scale up. Now we're getting a bit more technical with the DLR Bmwe challenge. The challenge is called Next Level Navigation, Autonomy, High Accuracy, Cybersecurity and Safety. Well, what they are looking for? They are looking for solutions that enable automation and autonomy with reliable positioning, navigation and timing, not forgetting about the benefits of the user community. Again, as well as in Copernicus Masters, we are offering a university challenge for the Galileo Masters. So if you have an idea, if you have a solution that is based on Galileo data and you're a student or research assistant, so please feel free to give your chance a try, and the same as in Copernicus Masters, give yourself the chance to go the next step towards entrepreneurship. Last but not least, we have our Galileo Living Lab Prize. Well, the Galileo Living Lab Prize is looking for developers and users to submit proposals for GNSS-related products and services that are ready to be tested and ideally implemented in a suitable living lab. So, these were our 8 wonderful challenges, giving you a lot of opportunities to find the best solution or the best challenge for your solution. And again, next to our challenges, we have our prize partners, offering you as well rewards and prizes that are not thematically focused. So what kind of idea, what kind of business model you have, feel free to choose one of our prizes. In this case, because you're here, choose, of course, and check the information about Prize Lithuania, and feel free to compete for Prize Lithuania. And just to conclude the whole pictures of our prizes as well, we have partners, of course, behind the flags. And here you have the prize partners behind. And again, for Galileo, we are cooperating with regional associates. And these are same as in Copernicus. Same as in Copernicus, our partners to promote the competition, to make it more global, and as well to be one of the contact points for you if you are one of the citizens from this country. So far, you know now all the information about the Galileo Master. Here as well, please, if I was too fast, or if you wish to have more information about the challenges or the prizes or Prize Lithuania, because there's like something you want to read afterwards, please feel free to visit our website, the Galileo-Masters.eu. Okay, so now you have all the information, besides how to participate. Well, how do you participate? Please, again, remember the 19th of July, because this is a very important date. Afterwards, it's not possible to enter the database and as well to submit your solution. So before the 19th of July, you will as well, after registering in the database, have the chance to choose one of the 8 challenges I introduced to you. Please again, choose that challenge that fits best to your solution. Here you have as well the chance to win an additional prize by choosing a prize partner, Prize Lithuania. So you have the chance to win the rewards from the challenge and the rewards from the prize. So you win twice. You have the chance to win twice. After the submission phase ends, we are handing over to the evaluation phase. Then the evaluation phase, again, we are organizing a big evaluation event, an international evaluation event, where you will compete with your solution once you are the winner of either challenge or either prize. So you will compete with all the other challenge winners and all the other prize winners for the overall winner. But now you have the chance to win even more. So in this event, when we will invite every winner of every challenge and every prize, we will invite the 12 best winners to pitch in a bootcamp for the Galileo incubation program. There, you pitch together with your incubator partner, whom you choose, who are free to choose, who helps you to get prepared for this pitching. 6 out of 12 can win and will win our Galileo incubation program. So this is a tailored incubation program where you will win rewards up to 60,000 euros. Okay, so let me please conclude. With Galileo Masters, you have, in the best case, the chance to win 4 prizes or 4 rewards. First of all, the challenge. Second, the prize. You might be the overall winner, and then you will be selected for the Galileo incubation program. And if it sounds to you that this is not possible, well, it is. The last year's winner, AXA Robotics, for example, did exactly this. They won 4 prizes. So it is possible. And we from our side can encourage you to give your solution a chance, to submit your idea, either for Copernicus or for Galileo, or maybe for both if you have plenty of ideas on your desk. So give it a try. Give it a try. If you don't give it a try, you can't win. You can't succeed. So from our side, we are doing our best to support you, not only from ATSO, but as well from Lithuanian side. We are doing the best to support you, to give your idea a chance, to grow, to give you the way, to path your way to success. But please, what we need is you who are willing to share and who are willing to go this step, that we can guide and support you and bring you more visibility towards all our space stakeholder network. So give it a try. I'm looking forward for your solutions. I'm looking forward for new innovations, and I'm looking forward to see you as well on our international evaluation meeting. And of course, the most important thing, at the Space Awards in December. So thank you very much. If there was information that was too fast, please feel free again to visit our websites. And as well, please remember to register, and you know it already, 19th of July. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Paulina, for the presentation. And I already see that there is one question in the chat, but as I've promised, we will answer the questions just after my presentation. It will be very short, so don't worry. And I encourage everyone to post your questions in the chat as well while I will be speaking. So thank you once again, Paulina. And now, as Lithuania is a regional partner, so yes, we've also established our prizes, and I want just to present to you, just to tell very briefly about those prizes, and I hope you see my presentation. Can you confirm, Paulina, that you see my presentation?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I do see your presentation.
Okay, perfect. So as it was already said, Lithuania is a regional partner, and I'm very glad that we're organizing these two competitions for a second year in a row. And I'm also very happy that last year our Galileo Masters Lithuania prize winner was also a winner of DLR prize, so a double winner. So you see, it's possible to win two prizes at one competition. So I encourage you all to participate and to submit your ideas and to test it with international experts, which is of course very valuable. So now let me present those prizes that you can get if you will be selected as a Lithuania prize winner. So the the prizes for both competitions are the same. So so I will just present it in one slide. And if you will be selected a winner of either Lithuania Galileo Masters Prize or a Copernicus Masters Lithuania Prize, you will enjoy three prizes. That is consultancy and assistance in proposal writing, a 3 months pre-acceleration program, and a trip to Space Awards in December. So let me elaborate now a little bit more on these three prizes. First of all, you will get assistance and consultancy from agencies experts on proposal writing and on national and international R&D programs. So the aim of this prize is to encourage you to submit your ideas, the ones you will test during the competitions, to submit your ideas to either national or to international R&D programs. So usually for the beginners, we advise to start with national programs, and at the end of this year we will know more information, and I hope that we will also have those programs started. So we will advise you, and we will consult on all related issues concerning national R&D programs. For more advanced participants, we encourage to participate in international R&D programs, starting with, for example, Eurostars program, or to submit your proposal to a new instrument of Horizon Europe, namely European Innovation Council, and why not to look into more deeper into Horizon Europe program. So you will have a chance to consult with experts, MITA experts, agencies experts, and to decide on which of the programs is best suited to your idea. The second prize is the possibility to participate in 3 months pre-acceleration program, and this program, to my personal opinion, is very relevant to startups, but as well as to individuals or group of individuals, because all of them can participate in the program. And during the program, you will learn how to build your team, for example. You will learn more about your potential clients. You will also have all the information how to grow a startup, which is also very important. And you will also be taught to pitch, which is pretty a challenge to many participants, especially to international programs. So these topics will be covered during the pre-acceleration program. And I think it's really an excellent prize once you have tested your idea at the competitions. And by the end of the program, we expect that you will have a minimum viable product, and then you can think about the next steps needed to further develop both your startup and your idea. And the last prize is a trip to Space Awards, and I also hope for a physical event this year. And the agency will cover costs for up to 2 participants to the event, and per prize, of course. So you will be able to enjoy international community and also to talk to many participants of the competition, and to also to present your idea. So these are the prizes for winners of Lithuania's prize for both competitions, for Galileo Masters and Copernicus Masters. And if you have any questions on the prizes, and so you can ask them or post in the chat, and I will be very glad to answer those. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention. And now let's move on to the Q&A session. I see there is one question in the chat, and I will just now read it. The question is as following: what role does the country prize play on a Copernicus Masters application evaluation? Is the application evaluated separately for the challenge and the country prize? Does the country prize have any specific criteria? How do we choose the best country prize fit for a particular challenge? And that's all these questions should be now answered. So should I repeat one by one?
Sorry. Yeah. Okay, now I've submitted. So I don't know. Would you like to start with the first one, or
can you start?
Sure.
Thank you.
Well, please remember that we have like 2 different challenges and prizes. So if you submit your solution to a challenge, there we will have a completely different expert jury than for the prize. So because each prize partner and each challenge partner are creating their expert teams, and so your idea, if you submit it to a challenge and then additional to your prize, will be evaluated by 2 different challenges. Does the country prize have any specific criteria? Well, no, as far as I know, not. But if you're not sure, so take your time and visit the website, and then as well take the time to read about the prices of our prize, or of the rewards for our prize partners. Sometimes there are little how do you say, little exclusions, but it is not for all prizes. So please take just the time and look at our website, and then you find more information about this, or ask us or write us an email afterwards if you have questions to this. How to choose the best country prize? Well, first of all, I would recommend that you choose the country where you are a citizen. If, for example, your region is not participating, then please have a look at the other prices and choose that prize where you want to start your business, where you want to grow, because you need the network of the partner, or you benefit from the network of the partner. And if this step doesn't fit to you, then just check, please, the country price or the price that the region, the price that where you like the rewards the most. This would be my recommendation of these 3 steps. So first, take the region or the country where you're a citizen. Second, take the region or the country where you want to grow your business. And third, choose the region where you like the rewards the most. I hope it was clear, and I would hand it over to you, Egli, for the first question about specifically for.
Yeah, actually, so there are no specific criteria for the Lithuania prize, but for example, to fully enjoy our prize, especially if you, especially in enjoying a pre-acceleration program, you have to either have establish a startup in Lithuania or have an idea to establish a startup in Lithuania. So for that, yes, it would be nice to consider that as well. And Pranav is saying thank you, and it's also the answers were helpful. So I hope we answered your concerns. There is another question in the chat also. Darius is asking, if we are a group of researchers with no business experience but have an idea, can we apply? So I would say a big yes, please apply. And there are many challenges to choose from, and also please also select Lithuania prize. And since you have no business experience, I think that pre-acceleration program will be very helpful for you in getting to know how to establish a startup, how to build your client base, and all the questions related will be answered during the pre-acceleration program. And I think it will be a wonderful start for you to also to grow your idea into solid business. Would you like to add something, Paulina?
Definitely. Yes, give it a try. Give it a try, and you will find a challenge where you can submit your idea.
Yeah, so I will encourage you really to submit the idea, to test it, and then let's, if you will be selected a winner, let's speak about the other possibilities and grow your idea into business. Okay. Are there any more questions? I don't see in the chat. Darius is typing. Let's see. He's saying thank you, Darius, for your question as well. Are there any other questions? You can either raise now your hand or ask for a floor and ask your question directly if you have any left. So let's spend some time, and let's wait for maybe some other questions will pop up. So please don't be shy, ask your questions. And ask now instead of at the very last days in July before submission ends.
Normally, you just need an icebreaker question, but we had one, so please feel free to add your questions.
We had actually quite a few questions, so please add. Well, I think the presentations were very covered all the issues, I think, and there are no questions left, at least at this moment. But if you have any questions during the submission phase, be it about the challenges or the prize or how to register on the portal, any kind of these questions, so please address those questions to the organizers, to ASO and to MITA as well. So please feel free to contact me, and if I will not be able to answer your question, I will forward it to Paulina, and I'm sure you will get an answer. So I think that it was pretty clear, the information that was presented this morning. So I want to thank you, Paulina, for your presentation, for your continuous support in organizing these events. Thank you to Ines as well for her support. And also thank you to the participants of this seminar. And I hope you will submit your ideas, you will test it with international experts, and you will enjoy this competition, and it will be very useful. Are you a student, a researcher, a startup, or more grown company? So thank you very much for participating. Thank you for your questions, and do not hesitate to contact me if you have any left. And stay healthy and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you as well from my side. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Igli. And yes, we are looking forward for your questions, for your submissions, for your participation. So all the best from my side as well, from the ASO team, and good luck. Good luck.
Ačiū ir sėkmės. Iki. Thank you and goodbye. Bye, Paulina. Thank you so much.
Bye. Bye. Thank you as well, Igli. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao.